Alright, hey everybody, welcome to Clark's Place today. Another pinball repair. This is the Ultraman or Halloween auto plunger. This metal piece, I don't know if you can see it wiggling in there, but this fell out, like pulled itself out. So another thing, this is like 50 bucks if you go to get this. Just gonna weld it back. Just put a couple little welds on it and should be fine.
Welcome to the Theater of Magic.
Alright, we'll see how this does here. Looks pretty straight, pretty solid. Just gonna try to melt in there, and then when that's melted, I'll file it off. That's pretty well heated all the way through. Thinking that's gonna be good. I just got 10 pounds of weld to grind off of there.
And screw this.
Alright, there you go.
You can get two
Repaired.
there.
I haven't dusted off all that because it's still pretty hot, but looks pretty good. On to the next repair. Okay, another pinball machine repair job. So this is out of a Family Guy. This is the, I think it's the scoop for Stewie. I think that's how that kicks that out. I didn't take it out of the game. Another one of our techs took it out. So, looks like all the welds have broken off. So we'll put that like that. Put this like this. And then with a few spot welds, we'll be back in business. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Okay, all back together, still hot, but yeah, everything's glued back together, tough as new, probably better than new. The spot welds they use from the factory, it's probably computer, and they just go bzz, 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 bzz. I actually put maybe a half second each time, just bzz, bzz, and it makes for a better weld, putting some good metal in it. They may just arc weld it, just like energize it and melt the two together. I'm not sure, but that should last for a long time. Okay, everybody, welcome to Clark's Place. Another pinball repair. So, whoops, a daisy. So, turtles. I think it's the lock stopper. That pulls down so the balls come out from underneath the van or whatever. And this just sheared off. So, ton of plays on the game. This is just gonna weld back on there. Doot. Call it George. So, I think I'm just gonna put it there, spot a couple, weld the whole thing. Should be good. Okay, there she be. Weld kind of went through to this side. Still very hot, but got a good bead all the way up and down. That should hold her for a while. I'll take it back, put the coil back on. Coil goes this way here, I believe. But I'll look at another one in the game and make sure. So that's it. Another easy repair. This is probably a $20 part, but if you got a welder, you can fix all your Stern issues. Bye-bye. Or until the next one here. Okay, pinball repair time. This should be, I think I've got 4 or 5 other repair videos. So this might be the end of it, but this is out of a Ghostbusters. And you can see the spot welds just all popped off. This goes like this. I'm not sure which scoop this is. I don't even remember a Ghostbusters having a scoop, but that's what they told me this is out of. So I will probably stitch right there and on the inside there, because the ball, I guess, comes in here, hits this switch, and rattles this out. So I might put a little stitch on the bottom, put a little stitch on the side, because this is where the playfield is, where it screws in. So I can't have any weld back here. I would love to weld it right there, but...
You could drill
I might
2 holes and then fill the hole.
I might do that too, yeah.
That way you know it's not going to come off.
Leave it to my father, has great ideas.
Yeah, look at the... I guess that's not from... That's just from the factory.
Oh, I guess so, yeah.
The tarnished, overheat look.
It didn't... These welds didn't penetrate too well here.
No, they didn't.
It's already got 2 holes there, so I might be able to fill those. Maybe widen them out a little bit and then plug weld it. So we'll see. I'm gonna take the switch off so it doesn't melt, and take the coil out of there too so it doesn't pick up heat. And I think we'll be good. Stick with me.
Yep. Okay, here's the end. I don't know if you can see it. All sanded, and then
the top part where it hits
hot.
the play field, this is free.
Goes up to the
so
play field. It's still hot.
yeah, it's warm.
It ground off. I mean, he welded the corners and up the sides a little bit. It ain't gonna come off there. No ways, no hows.
Better than.
Oh, you didn't even hit the 2 spots that I drilled out.
Yeah, I did. I filled them in. You drilled out this side. You drilled out this piece.
Oh yeah,
This was.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That was where they squeezed it. And
yeah, it's all plugged up. I'm gonna go run it under some water and cool it off.
should be good to go.
Yep.
Yeah. So thanks for watching my pinball repairs. Like I said, I think this is probably the 4th or 5th. I know I did a Metallica pinball repair thing, but these are. That mech is probably 30, 40, 50 bucks maybe. So for a couple little welds, back in business. I think that's it.
If you have a welder, you can save.
Yeah.
You can help yourself pay for the welder by making little things like this, because he's right. It's like these pinball parts like to go through Marco or back to
and
Stern,
it's also you wait a week.
Yeah.
This broke. It's down today.
You'd be
I'll
putting
put it back in
up
tomorrow, and it's back up and running.
Yeah,
instead
I guess.
of waiting on pinball.
I just happen to have on my Stern shirt today, so
Yeah, you working for Stern? Yeah,
I wasn't working for Stern.
You working for Stern.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh, the screws just fell out.
let's put her back together. Let's put Humpty Dumpty back together again.
Yep.
Okay, so that clips there. That squoزes up right there. And then I got my 2 screws right here.
Yeah. That holds the coil.
I think those had a little bit of Loctite on them.
Yeah, it feels like it.
You can feel a little tension.
Yeah, I
spring
can
up.
feel it like it's a lock nut or
Right.
something. Go ahead, you do it. And these little bolts, they're teeny, that hold the switch on.
This goes.
You have the very
oops.
teeny tiniest little.
Yeah, I bought it specifically for that.
I know, it's like it does get on there.
Every one of these pinball switches use it. What's the number on it?
It looks like a, golly gee,
Something 32nd.
yeah, 3/16.
Oh, 3/16.
Wow, it's bigger than I thought, but 3/16 is not very much.
No, it's probably about the size of this nut right here. That's about 3/16.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. I didn't start them, so you gotta find the hole. There we go.
I didn't finish that one either.
I don't know if I'm in. Is it in? Maybe
Yeah,
it
it's
is.
tight. It's tight. Yeah, it's.
Cool.
It would be overkill to put that in a automatic or electric because you're allowed to just snap it off.
I always
Well,
do
you
these
can-
by
yeah,
hand.
'cause
I don't
you
ever.
can feel how tight you're getting it with that,
Yeah, I don't ever use.
and you don't have to
power
wrench them down that hard. So it sounds right.
tool. Yeah, you can hear it clicking.
Yep. Okay.
All right, thanks for watching Clark's Pinball Repair. Look at that. That's $50. Maybe I don't know. I'm from 10 years ago. Pricing is what I think. So I know mechs were always like 40, $50. If I look it up and see how much it costs, I'll put a little blurb up how much this costs. But
And it didn't take that many
won't.
tools, just a little
I
welder.
probably won't do that though. Sorry, I'm a liar. Don't listen to me.
And
Cool.
the welder is, of course, it's just it's a wire feed. And what's the wire?
Maybe. Oh,
30
35 or 30?
Yeah.
30, I think it's 30. Oh, 30.
030.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Vulcan .030.
Get you a welder. Get a good one. Otherwise, you're going to be disappointed
Yeah.
with a $200 Harbor Freight welder. They
Yeah, if
don't.
you're going to be doing well, we have it to work on the cars.
Yeah, they don't
But,
work good. And you
Something like this, that would probably be fine.
must use gas too.
Oh yeah, you got to get one that has the acetylene, not acetylene,
Yes, sir.
oxygen.
I think it's called oxygen. No, it's CO2. I think.
Oh, CO2.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
don't
because
want
that-
oxygen because oxygen makes it snap,
Yeah.
crackle, pop.
That's where it shields that as you're welding, and it keeps the slag from
Man,
falling.
is this
so bad.
Clark's Welding channel?
Yeah, 101
Clark's
or
Welding station?
102 now.
Welding.org? Okay, good deal.
All right.
All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, one more pinball repair. This is out of Dungeons and Dragons, the right return ramp. And the typical tiny weld just broke off again. Well, this is the first one on this game. It's about a year old. Things break. We'll get her fixed. Okay, 2 little dots, and that should hold her. I'll file those down a little bit. It doesn't look like it got the best penetration, but I think it'll hold just fine. Way better than what they did. So, calling this down. Thanks for watching Clark's Place, the home of pinball repairs.
it.